EGR cooler on a Captiva. This is a 2011 diesel, right? The EGR cooler is leaking coolant, you can see, right? So you gotta buy the whole thing, comes with everything like that. Sits behind on top of that intake manifold. Very difficult to get it out, super difficult. I would say just at least give yourself 5 hours to do this job. All the bolts are very hard to get to. You gotta get to these 4 bolts. There's a couple of brackets, bolts at the front here as well. All the hoses, you can see on the cable here. We got the fuse box out, batteries off, fuel rail, coolant bottle, all that stuff, right? And also this pipe sort of sits in that area below there. And this pipe has to come out, the intake pipe, because this kind of sits around here, meaning you can't get to this bolt for the EGR cooler. So this has to come out, and this was the most challenging part, and you guys will thank me. Okay, how to get it off. I had super difficulty, no instruction on the internet how to. So what you gotta do is see that white ring here. So you have to turn this ring. It sort of sits on a spring, kind of like a springy design here. So you have to turn this pipe. So it sits this way, meaning you have to turn this pipe like that. Okay? This way, towards the front of the car, all the way as you're pulling on it. And then it will dislodge from the intake manifold. Alright guys, good luck.